It's a spa in here.
Not a shower. 3 showers. It's so quiet and dark. It's like nobody lives here.
Trying a baby octopus. We're here. There's a clip.
Oh.
Looks pretty.
Oh, there's like a pasture here.
Quiet neighbourhood. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. The living room, there's a TV, there's a little balcony there.
The kitchen is so cute. Yeah.
This is your dream kitchen.
Wow, this is like the kitchen you see in the show. Dishwasher, washing machine and dryer. I think everything you can find.
Oven as well.
Vegemite.
All the condiments. Oh, even the toaster, the bread toaster is so fancy.
The kettle.
There's a huge fridge.
Tim Tam.
Oh, there's a Tim Tam.
That's the one you bought.
Okay, now we have 2. Nice written note. Wow, they're so nice. There's even a free bottle of wine. Okay, let's start with the kids' room.
There are toys for the kids to play.
Wow.
There's like a double bed and a super single, I think. What's this?
There's a little wardrobe for the kids. I think it's a heater. And
I think the kids.
wow, they even have a cute little window mirror. And the other room.
Let's on the light.
Wow, this room is so cozy.
It's small but very comfortable. Large windows as well.
That's where we came in from.
This is the common toilet.
Yes, this is the common toilet.
A rain shower and a normal shower.
It's a spa in here.
And the toilet bowl is like stylish, man.
Wow.
And the sink. I read reviews that the owner is actually an interior designer.
I see.
So she designed this whole place. So I guess that speaks of like the way, the layout and the design of the space. Let's check out the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom.
Oh, you have a walk-in wardrobe.
A shower? Not a shower. 3 showers.
So you don't have a bathtub.
We don't have a bathtub, but we have 3 showers.
Then we can enjoy the water.
Yes, everyone can enjoy the water together.
What's cold? Alright, huh? Tomorrow you got rain.
We just checked in and heading out for dinner, and this whole neighborhood is so dark.
It's so quiet and dark. It's like nobody lives here, but you know that there are people living here because there's cars around. I feel like a local.
Yep.
Yo mate, how you doing?
So where we're dining is about a 10 minutes walk from our apartment, and my dumpling is back.
It's 16 degrees.
It's a Friday night!
There's so much life here.
Looking for some bars.
I think we go opposite. You ordered?
Yep. Order the pizza, fried basket, some grilled seafood, and drinks.
Lemon, lime and bitter.
A must have. Welcome to Australia. Long Island tea for dinner. Right.
Aperol spritz.
And our starters with salt and pepper squid and cold lamb pizza.
Half lamb. Thanks.
You're welcome. We're also having a fisherman's basket, fried seafood. And a really nice grilled seafood platter.
Are you gonna finish all this? They don't have started.
Is it good?
It's like there's food everywhere in the frame.
It's our first dinner at Scarborough.
Biggest dinner ever.
Trying a baby octopus.
Make sure I won't taste the legs, huh? Oh, it doesn't taste very nice.
Will she eat it again? You touch your first lizard.
Kangaroo. It's the first time I met a cow. It's the first time I touch a sheep.
Yo, you're back. What are you looking for?